Happy holidays and happy new year. Welcome to today's Friday SEO tip, the last Friday SEO tip of 2024. So I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Today, I would like to talk briefly about actually three upcoming events. So we're really looking forward to 2025, and then quickly also talk about the on-demand half-day AI and SEO workshop that we hosted earlier this winter. All right, so let's get into it. So first of all, our first event of the year is going to be hosted on January 30th. It's an hour-long complimentary webinar, Thursday, January 30th, 2025, on how to crush your competition and boost sales with AI-powered micro SEO. So I'll quickly talk more about that in a second. As always, I'm going to put the links of the content that I'm showing here below in the description field of this YouTube video. So this is going to be a very interesting webinar if you're interested in AI and SEO and how to outrank your competition. I hope you'll join us. Then let's head over here. The next event, actually, let's do the webinar first. So we're going to host it's also an hour-long webinar entitled Unlock the Power of Google Ads. So this is all about pay-per-click in 2025, how to maximize your revenue like never before. We're going to host this webinar together with Intero Digital, friends over at Intero. So this will be a very interesting webinar on how to get more out of your Google Ads campaigns and pay-per-click in general. We're going to host this webinar on Thursday, February 13th. The link is right below in the description field of the YouTube video. And then I am speaking on February 21st in Barcelona, Spain, at a conference called ELIA Together 2025. So if you happen to be in Europe or in Spain, if you're attending this conference, please look me up. My session is scheduled for 9:30 a.m. I'll be discussing the future of language services, trends, technologies, and strategies for success. I'll talk a lot about AI, how it's impacting the language industry, link right below. And then last but not least, earlier this fall, we hosted a half-day workshop online. We recorded this workshop. It was all about how to master Google's AI overviews. It was all about prompt engineering. It's basically a very hands-on AI and SEO workshop. What you're going to learn is to basically do what our AI assistant is doing. This is our new product that we're going to launch. It's called BSM Co-Pilot. We're not quite ready to announce it publicly, but you're getting a glimpse of what this tool is doing. Basically, what it does, it spits out a outline or a piece of content in relation to search terms. This is what this tool is doing. It creates an incredible comprehensive outline that then has a chance to rank at the top in Google. Once a human writer is putting the words around it, let me quickly show you an example what this tool is capable of doing. So if we do a search for ultimate local SEO guide, so we're already at position 2 here in Google for this search term. We use their tool to create the outline for this local SEO guide. As you can see here, published it December 4th, and now like 2-3 weeks later, already at, near the top in Google. So this is what this tool is doing. This is what this workshop is all about. We have a 50% off coupon for this workshop. It's valid until January 5th. So I hope you'll be able to take advantage of this discount. It's definitely worth investing into this course if you're interested in AI, SEO, prompt engineering, etc. All right. That's it. Again, happy holidays, happy new year. Wish you all the best for the rest of the year. And then, let's get started strong in 2025. As always, stay safe and healthy until next year. Bye.